In this video, we demonstrate our new custom translation checks based on regular expressions. Acting as an administrator of an organization, we access the organization settings from the top menu and select the option Translation Checks on the left. For this demo, we will create a custom translation check for the plain text file format. We add a description for our translation check that will serve as the message to be displayed in the editor every time this rule is violated. In this case, we want our translation to not have spaces at the end when there aren't any in the source text. The regular expression we will use for this purpose is this one. As we said, we want to apply the check in both source and translation strings so that it will fail if the matches found in the source string are different from the matches found in translation. For our use case, we don't want to respect the matching order. We just want white spaces not to appear in translation when the editor of the source string didn't add it. Thus, we leave this checkbox unchecked. We can also test our regular expression. See if we have configured everything correctly. We write some text as a source string and then we add the liberty and white space at the end of the translation text. We test and we verify that indeed we have an error on our translation check. Now we are ready with the configuration for this translation check, and what is left is to select the status of this check similar to what we configure for the rest of the built-in checks. We save our first custom check for 60 files and now we are ready to see it in action. Let's load the editor for a test project of ours with a TXT resource. As we see, both strings in this resource are untranslated. We will translate the first, adding a white space at the end. The warning we created previously now appears. We can then correct our mistake and try again. Now everything is fine with our translation.